Hello children, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, pronouns. So here we will start with our first question, pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. We know what is noun. Noun is a name of person, place or anything. So instead of nouns, we can use pronouns. For example, Ravi likes to play cricket. He practices every evening. Here, Ravi is noun and he is pronoun, which is used instead of Ravi. Koyal is a singer. She sang at the concert. Here, Koyal is the name of a girl and she is pronoun for girl. Look at the cat. It is drinking milk. Here, cat is a noun and it is pronoun for cat. Personal nouns stand for the first person, the second person and the third person. As we know, first person means I, we. Second person is you, you. And the third person is he, she, it and they. There are two types of personal pronouns. First is subject pronouns and second is object pronouns. Let me see what's that. I, we and they are subject pronouns. Me, us, them, him and her are object pronouns. And you is both a subject pronoun as well object pronoun. So let me understand this concept with your text exercise. So first exercise is complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. First is your text example. So here we start with second one. The squirrel was eating nuts. Blank was very hungry. You can see three options in bracket. He, she and it. So for this squirrel, we will use it. So the answer is the squirrel was eating nuts. It was very hungry. Second is the plates have been washed. Put blank in the cupboard. Option is us, we, them. So for the plates have been washed. Put blank in the cupboard. Put them in the cupboard. The plates have been washed. Put them in the cupboard. Third one is these are new chairs. Blank look very comfortable. So these are new chairs. Blank look very comfortable. They look very comfortable. We will use they for chairs. They look very comfortable. Next exercise is replace the underlined nouns with correct pronouns. First one is Meeta bought a goldfish. Meeta is very fond of the goldfish. Here you can see the noun Meeta used 2 times and the noun goldfish is also used 2 times. So we have to put pronoun instead of them. In one sentence we cannot use same noun 2 times. So we have to put pronoun for them. Answer is Meeta bought a goldfish. She is very fond of it. She, which is used for Meeta, and it is used for the goldfish. Joy is the librarian. Joy is very well read. You can ask Joy about any book. Here you can see the name Joy is repeated 2 times, which is not correct. So we have to put pronoun for that. So answer is Joy is the librarian. He is very well read. Here he is used for Joy. He is pronoun for Joy. Or any boy. You can ask him about any book. Here him is also used for Joy. Or any boy. My sister and I woke up at 7. My sister and I were late for school. My sister and I, 2 times. So we will put pronoun in second time. My sister and I woke up at 7. We were late for school. Here we is pronoun for my sister and I, because my sister and I is plural form. So we have to put we for that. When there are any plural form, we will put we or they or whatever the plural form. Next is complete these sentences with correct pronouns. First is the cat is hungry. Blank was scratching the door. For the cat, we have to put pronoun. So as we know, the pronoun for cat is it. The cat is hungry. It was scratching the door. Second is Megha borrowed a book. Blank will return it on Friday. So here we have to put pronoun for the name Megha. So as we know, Megha is feminine gender. So we have to put she. Megha borrowed a book. She will return it on Friday. Third one is Raj and Ravi were twins. Blank also had a younger sister. Raj and Ravi, as we know, 2 names. So 2 names make plural form. So we have to put plural pronoun for Raj and Ravi. So answer is Raj and Ravi were twins. They also had a younger sister. So like this way you have to complete all your text exercise. Thank you.